Hi friends, in this video I am giving live market analysis for Bank Nifty in 5 minutes time frame. Today there was an opportunity to capture three market moves with 1:3 risk reward ratio, and we captured two of them. Let me show you how we can do that using various techniques such as Newton action and reaction spaces, frequency lines, and pitchforks. Okay, so the first thing that we had drawn in the very beginning of the morning was to draw a frequency line at these lows. Okay, you can see that we have drawn one line that is capturing all the frequencies. So this is the kind of statistical technique, which means if price encounters a line consistently for a long time, we tend to capture the frequencies without violating the body of the candles. So now you place this at the highest of these candles in this between these two, and then extrapolate the same distance high. So that creates Newton's action and reaction spaces. So that is the first first set of lines we have drawn. Okay, so with that move, the market has touched this line precisely at this point, and this is the point where you could have entered the market using the concept of frequency lines. Okay, so what we do is we draw a line like this. Okay, forget about all the movement here, and let's focus on just this part of market movement. So price has uh, gone very high above this with this candle. See the lot of buying pressure and the body of the candle. So there's a huge candle with long bottom tail. It's only indicating the power of buyers. So market has gone to as high as this point and then has failed to create a lower low. Now there is another sudden impulsive movement. You can see that there is some organized behavior, and that is trying to poke all these lows. Okay, so now that the market makers have targeted to poke below this low. That means when they create a low like this, it will create an immense sell stop orders, and that is the entry for them to enter market in upward direction. So how could you make advantage of this? So you draw something like horizontal line, you draw something like frequency red line. So the moment price has poked below this low and failed to close below any of these lows, the touch of any of these lines, it could be a frequency line, it could be a wash line, or it could be the Newton reaction line. Any of these lines could have been the touch of any of these lines by price could have given you a very good long entry. Okay, so this is one long entry, and see how market has gone to as high as this level. Now if you have missed an opportunity to enter long here, I'm going to show you another entry with a point exactly at this intersection of these lines. So what we do is we have already drawn these lines, Newton action and reaction spaces. Now we see that these lines are being beautifully respected the price. So we also draw another blue line which is touching all these highs. Price broke this blue line, and then we immediately have captured again the same Newton action spaces, connecting all the frequencies at the top of these candles, putting to that low. And when I kept it at low, the lines were beautifully matching. So I just extrapolated the same distance again upward. Now when price touched that line and created a very long wick. So the very intersection of price touching these lows is where we are shorting the market with few pips below this high as stop loss. So the very next moves market has crashed like anything. So this is the kind of entries you have to look for, guys. And if we are if you have missed this entry to short the market, again when prices falling low very heavily like this, we have multiple lines again here where price is respecting. Here we have even a greater market context because these buyers are able to break above this high. So this gives us inward frequency as a beautiful entry for long positions. We also have the frequency line that I have mentioned in the morning itself. So we have, see how many lines intersecting at the same point where prices respecting this intersection of lines. So this is the touch of the inward frequency is where we have entered the long position with the stop loss below this low. So the stop loss is somewhere around, this entry is somewhere around 41,023 and the stop loss is 40,943. Somewhere around 70 points stop loss. So and the target is 1:3 risk reward ratio. Okay, so this is a precise entry where we have made. The risk is at the low of this candle, and the reward is should be 1:3. So in this case, we have exited the market somewhere around at this high because we expect the price will go to the outward frequency line, and this is where we have exactly exited market with 1:3, 1:3.5 risk reward ratio. So this is the kind of entries you have to make, guys. And market is still trapped with the lines around the market in the morning itself. So let us see how price further behaves, and when it comes to critical locations, then we can think about a long trade idea. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Bye bye.